Hey guys, Hop here for TFB TV at SHOT Show 2023. We're talking to Pete at Midwest Industries about their new lineup of AK furniture and accessories. We're hoping you could walk us through the lineup.
Yep, our new Alpha series, if you will. So I'll start with the most basic and we'll work our way kind of through it. So for the person who wants to keep their traditional AK or is in a position where they don't have time to change a lot of stuff, but you need to get a light or a laser on here, we've got this mount, clamps to the barrel, fits all versions of AKs that we've basically tested on, Yugos, the whole thing. We have it mounted back here. If you're worried about shadowing from your can, you can actually move it out here, and then you actually get your light out even further. So there's all kinds of options with it. It's just real simple. And for those that are going to ask, yes, you can still use your cleaning rod with that one. So that's our the first of our Alpha series. We call it the AK01.
Right on. Does that have a Picatinny just on either side of it?
Rails on the other side of it. Yep, you got it. Moving down in the Alpha series, we've got a brand new handguard. It's available in two different lengths. We'll start with the shorter one. It has an integral heat shield in there. And then this handguard works in conjunction with these two beams right here that go back to an optic mount. We have two different choices for that. We have this one here that's, as you can see, it's got a T2 on it, but it also will interface with a Picatinny interface one. So if you've got a dot you want to put on like a pick rail, that works as well. And then this one has our folding knuckle on it with our Alpha stock tube adapter, if you will, and then we've got this one. We took our stock off of it, so this one would have the full stock, and we'll get to that one. This one we took it off and we were able to put on the Gearhead Works tail hook for those who want to do that. So yeah, that's the short on that one, and then we'll go to the full-on system here. So again, still a heat shield, handguard. So this fits AKM pattern AKs. Does not fit Yugos or anything like that. Still has these struts that come back, but this comes back to our full top rail. Top rail comes with its own button so that it can have a really solid lockup, great return to zero, all that kind of stuff. And real simple to install with our installation videos, which we have on our website. And then this is the stock I was talking about. So stock has got aluminum with a plastic cheek riser just to keep your face from being on raw aluminum, and a rubber butt pad that we put together. And then it's got the adjustability here, and then obviously screws to adjust your comb height, and obviously the ability to move your stock back and forth as well. So,
and is that reversible to flip either left or right?
Yes, it is. Yep, fully ambidextrous, and you can move the cheek piece around too, all that kind of stuff. So, awesome. Yeah, absolutely.
So with these, the handguards and the cantilever system, I don't know if it's, we'll try to show a close-up so people can see it, but it goes actually around the rear sight, so that's completely left intact, not messed with at all?
Yep, you never have to remove your rear sight. You know, allows you to get a co-witness, depending on the optic, obviously, but yep, absolutely.
And the rail doesn't block the iron sight, so if you take your optic off, you're back to using irons, no problem?
Yep, absolutely.
Fantastic.
Retain all of that. Yep.
And you mentioned that this is not for the Yugo pattern, but you guys have made some Yugo accessories in the past, so is there a possibility of Yugo compatible stuff coming down the line?
It's not something we're working on right now, just because this is going to be such a big project for us, working on getting all these out on the floor and out to everybody that's looking for them. So right now it's going to be just AKM, so they don't fit mill guns and they don't fit, but any of your standard AKs they do.
Do you guys have projected availability for all this stuff yet?
Yeah, the stocks and the handguards are all in stock right now and shipping.
Thanks for walking us through the new product line.
Yeah, thanks for coming out and checking it out.
Absolutely. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned. Got a lot of stuff coming from SHOT Show 2023, TFB TV, and TFB Showtime.